Good day, everyone, especially the parents or the children that have access to this information that is coming from me. You see, let me tell you something. I am a qualified teacher. Yes, I teach very, very well in such a way that I can even teach in any language, although there are some languages that I cannot teach in because I do not understand these languages. But then, you see, these two topics in mathematics, they are the topics that even JSS 1 and JSS 2 they are going to touch. That is why I call myself a very good teacher because I know what your children are currently doing. If not lie, check the book of your children. So, especially JSS 1 and 2, you are going to see these two topics in their book for at least 1 to 2 weeks. At least 5 weeks, they are going to be doing it week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5. These two topics. So if you have a child that is struggling with these things, please call your child closer for a brief explanation. Now, this whole number. What is a whole number? A whole number is the number that is between 0 and infinity. Infinity means going non-stop from 0 to infinity. Now, if you notice what I said between 0. Now, is 0 a whole number? Of course, 0 you can call it a whole number. Why? Because 0 does not have negative or positive value. So 0 you can also call it a whole number. Now, the whole numbers, like I've said, they include 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, those ones that are not whole number, they are non-whole numbers. They are those ones that carry charges. It can be positive or the negative integers, like the -1, like the fraction 1/2, -1/2. All these ones, they are not whole numbers. Now, after you have understood the whole numbers, how about fraction? A fraction is part of this whole number. It's just like say, okay, this is whole number. One part of it, that is not the whole of that whole number, is what we call the fraction. So fraction, not usually up to whole number. And a fraction, if you are talking about it, you are going to have two parts of a fraction. The upper part, let's say 1/2 is a fraction. The upper part here is called the numerator. Let me write it here. This upper part is called numerator. While this lower part is called denominator. Yes, those are the two parts of a fraction. I am not going to lay too much emphasis on these things. I just want to brief you so that you know that where this one is coming from, there is plenty, oh God, from where this is coming from. So please, call your child to learn from this, and please come to me if you need any help with your child. Thank you very much.